Meet the Kia EV6. It is Kia's only electric car in the country right now, but it is one that you should be paying attention to. It is a car that punches above its weight, having clinched the Green Car of the Year 2023 award at the prestigious ICOTY Awards. In this video, we're going to tell you why the Kia EV6 is so impressive and why you should be really seriously looking at it. First, design. Kia has always played a huge focus on design, and the EV6 is no different. It is a spectacular looking car. It has radical design elements that we haven't seen on any Kia before. You see, it is a born electric car based on the EGMP skateboard platform, and that has given designers a lot of freedom in terms of the stance and the way it looks. Look at how the wheelbase is so long and the overhangs are so short. It looks really good. It has clean lines with intricate elements separating them. The headlights are incredibly detailed, making the front end instantly recognizable on the road. The tail lamp, it is a full width light bar that stretches across the width of the whole car. And again, that's a really recognizable design element. The EV6 gets 19-inch wheels that add to the stance. The spoiler, flush door handles, the sharp looking Kia badge on the nose, they all make it look super futuristic, and the Kia EV6 will certainly grab eyeballs on the road. Second, the Kia EV6 gets sustainable interiors. The EV6, as the name suggests, is an EV, but the sustainability credentials go beyond the drivetrain. The seats are made from a vegan substitute to leather. The dashboard and the cloths are made out of recycled plastic bottles. The interiors are tech-laden as well though. So you have dual 12.3-inch screens, one for your infotainment and one for your instrument cluster. The Born EV architecture also frees up a lot of space on the inside with innovative storage solutions in the center console and a lavish back seat with plenty of space to stretch out in. Third up is the range of the Kia EV6. The EV6 gets a 77.4 kilowatt battery in the floor, and that gives it an ARAI certified range of 708 kilometers on a full charge. There are ways to maximize this range as well. The drive modes have an eco mode that prioritizes efficient driving. The EV6 also has 3 different stages of regeneration up to level 3 that allow you to feed energy that is usually wasted in braking back into the battery. Once you reach level 3, if you pull the paddle one more time, you get to the I-pedal mode, and that maximizes regen and can even bring the EV6 to a complete halt, which basically enables one pedal driving. Fourth up is the performance of the Kia EV6. The Kia EV6 is an absolute beast in this regard. With all-wheel drive and strong outputs, 226 bhp and 350 Nm of torque, it can do the 0 to 100 run in just 5.6 seconds. This is helped no doubt by the fact that it has motors both on the front and the rear axles. Plus, the driver has access to a sport mode which primes the drivetrain and the suspension to deliver the best possible acceleration and dynamic performance. Then there are the ADAS features. The Kia EV6 is a safe car. It is a global product made for global markets, and you can be confident of its safety credentials. It has the usual stuff: 8 airbags, electronic aids, ISOFIX child mounts, but it also has ADAS. Front and rear radars give you features like front collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross traffic alert. All this ensures that you've got a lot more protection than usual when you're behind the wheel of your Kia EV6. That's it for this episode on the Kia EV6. There's plenty to love about it, and it's so impressive on so many counts. If you're in the market for a car at that ₹60 lakh mark, would you pick the EV6? I'd love to know from you.